Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I want to show you how we can record screen on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles, which will reveal screen recording. For me, it is visible right over here. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up this window, letting you choose if you're going to be either recording a single application, which is set by default, or if you're going to be recording the entire screen. I'm going to choose entire screen. Next, you have the option to record audio. By default, it is turned off, but you can change it to device audio or also select microphone or both. And below that, we have show touches on screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. From there, we can select start recording. Starts a 3-second countdown, then gives you a notification that indicates that we are now recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. You can open up some applications. And close them up. Now, there sometimes are applications that you won't be able to record, but by the looks of it here, we don't have any of those, so I can't really showcase this. Now anyway, once you're done recording, you can swipe down again and click right here to stop. As you can see, the stops our screen recording and automatically saves it. Now, normally you would be able to find your screen recordings by going into your Photos application, and it would show up, I believe, in Photos somewhere here, and under Collections it should show up under Screenshots or Videos, but you can see under the newest ones there is nothing here. Under Screenshots there is nothing here, at least not videos, and there's also no Movies folder. It's gonna be in like one of these. There we go. Okay, so it's right here. So for some reason this is placed in a like an album or whatever, collection. So typically that wouldn't be the case for you. You'd see this somewhere a little bit easier to find, and also this would also show up on your Photos tab and so on. Anyway, you can see, and here we have our screen recording. Now, what I was going up or talking about before with some applications not allowing you to record them, said applications are things like Spotify or Netflix. Now, when you try to record them, it just won't give you any information that you're not really doing it. It will look like you're recording, but when you go to play it back, instead of seeing whatever we see right here, you're just gonna see a straight up black screen as long as the application that won't allow you to record is open. So sometimes you might want to check out if the app that you're trying to record can be recorded. And just to kind of give you a heads up, if it seems like an absolute bullshit, that's because it completely is. It's super hypocritical for someone like Spotify to basically block you from recording a screen on your own freaking phone with an app that comes some of the times provided with the device, when this piece of shit company literally started itself from piracy. Awesome there. I highly recommend doing the same thing. Just take a page out of their book and just pirate your own stuff so you don't have to pay them subscription. But anyway, just, a little bit tidbit there. So that's the screen recording. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.